how big her eyes are too? It's huge.
One more time.
I love it when she scoots down though. That cracks me up.
One more time.
I get her looking up to see where she went, but crouching back down is kind of funny.
Now, stay down there, Anna. She'll come up and look for it. So what happened to her? Where is she?
Well, then, wait. My legs are sore.
You're getting your squats in.
You did a great job, Anna.
All right, get up closer and pat her.